Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. If you're considering a hybrid car, you've come to the right place to gather information. In this two-part video, we'll explore the essential things to consider when looking for a hybrid vehicle. Let's begin with part 1. Looking for a hybrid car? Things to consider. If you're in the market for a hybrid car, you're making a wise choice for both the environment and your wallet. With the rising popularity of hybrid vehicles, it's important to understand what factors to consider before making your purchase. In this video, we will explore the key things to keep in mind when looking for a hybrid car, so you can make an informed decision and find the perfect vehicle that meets your needs. From fuel efficiency and driving range to battery life and available incentives, we'll cover all the essential aspects to consider before taking the plunge into the world of hybrid cars. This innovative technology allows hybrid cars to be more fuel efficient and eco-friendly compared to conventional cars that solely rely on gasoline or diesel engines. Definition of a hybrid car. A hybrid car, also known as a hybrid electric vehicle, HEV, is defined as a vehicle that utilizes two or more distinct power sources to propel itself. These power sources typically include an internal combustion engine, powered by gasoline or diesel, and an electric motor, powered by batteries or other electric storage devices. The combined use of these power sources allows hybrid cars to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce harmful emissions. How do hybrid cars work? Hybrid cars employ a combination of internal combustion engines and electric motors to function. The way they work can be summarized in the following steps. Starting, when the driver starts the hybrid car, the electric motor kicks in and provides power for driving at low speeds. This is known as the electric mode, and it enables the car to run silently and emit zero emissions. Acceleration. As the driver presses harder on the accelerator, the internal combustion engine starts operating. The engine transfers power to the wheels, supplementing the electric motor's output, which increases the car's speed. Regenerative braking. When the driver applies the brakes, the hybrid car's electric motor switches into generator mode. It harnesses the energy produced during braking and converts it into electricity, which is then stored in the car's battery for later use. Idle and deceleration. During idle and deceleration, hybrid cars can automatically switch off the internal combustion engine. This helps conserve fuel and reduce emissions while the vehicle is stationary or slowing down. Battery charging. The internal combustion engine can act as a generator when necessary, charging the car's battery while it is running. This ensures a continuous supply of electric power for the electric motor, optimizing fuel efficiency. By seamlessly integrating the use of both conventional engines and electric motors, hybrid cars offer improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, and a quieter, more eco-friendly driving experience. Remember to stay tuned for the next sections in this series, where we will explore other important aspects to consider when looking for a hybrid car. Benefits of owning a hybrid car. Hybrid cars have gained popularity in recent years due to their numerous benefits. Not only do they help protect the environment, but they also offer significant advantages in terms of fuel efficiency and financial incentives. In this section, we will explore the various benefits of owning a hybrid car, including environmental benefits, fuel efficiency, tax incentives, and rebates. Environmental benefits. One of the primary reasons people opt for hybrid cars is their positive impact on the environment. By combining an internal combustion engine with an electric motor, hybrid cars produce fewer emissions compared to conventional vehicles. This means reduced greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. The use of electric power in hybrid cars also helps to decrease our dependence on fossil fuels, promoting a cleaner and more sustainable future. Fuel efficiency. Another compelling reason to consider owning a hybrid car is their exceptional fuel efficiency. Hybrid vehicles utilize advanced technologies like regenerative braking and engine idle-off, allowing them to conserve energy and maximize fuel economy. The electric motor in a hybrid car assists the gasoline engine by providing extra power during acceleration, resulting in lower fuel consumption. As a result, hybrid car owners can expect to save significantly on fuel costs in the long run. Tax incentives and rebates. In addition to the environmental and fuel efficiency advantages, owning a hybrid car can also bring financial benefits. Many governments and local authorities offer tax incentives and rebates to promote the adoption of hybrid vehicles. These incentives can include tax credits, reduced vehicle registration fees, and even cash rebates. By taking advantage of these incentives, hybrid car owners can enjoy savings on both the initial purchase price and ongoing ownership costs. Moreover, some states and municipalities provide additional perks such as access to carpool lanes, free or discounted parking, and reduced toll fees for hybrid car owners. These incentives not only help offset the initial cost of purchasing a hybrid car but also make them a more affordable and attractive option in the long term. In conclusion, owning a hybrid car offers several benefits. From reducing environmental impact to saving on fuel costs and taking advantage of tax incentives, hybrid vehicles provide a compelling alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. As the demand for eco-friendly transportation continues to grow, hybrid cars have emerged as a smart and sustainable choice for individuals looking to make a positive impact on the environment while enjoying long-term financial savings. Factors to consider before buying a hybrid car. When it comes to purchasing a hybrid car, there are several important factors that you should consider to ensure you make an informed decision. From price and affordability to battery life and warranty, charging infrastructure, maintenance and repair costs, and resale value, these aspects play a critical role in determining the overall value and satisfaction you will derive from your hybrid car ownership. Price and affordability. One of the key considerations before buying a hybrid car is its price and affordability. While hybrids generally tend to be more expensive up front compared to conventional gasoline-powered vehicles, they offer long-term cost savings in terms of fuel efficiency. However, it is crucial to evaluate the overall budget you can allocate for a hybrid car and determine if the initial investment aligns with your financial goals and limitations. Battery life and warranty. The battery is the heart of a hybrid car, powering its electric motor and providing energy storage for improved fuel efficiency. Therefore, assessing the battery life and warranty is crucial. Look for hybrid models with reliable battery technology and longer warranty periods. A robust warranty ensures that any potential battery-related issues will be covered, saving you from unexpected expenses down the line. Charging infrastructure. While hybrid cars do not rely solely on charging infrastructure like fully electric vehicles, it is still essential to consider the availability of charging stations in your area. Having a convenient access to charging points can be advantageous if you decide to transition to a plug-in hybrid model or if you frequently travel long distances. Maintenance and repair costs. When estimating the true cost of owning a hybrid car, it is important to factor in maintenance and repair costs. While hybrids are generally known for their reliability and lower maintenance needs, it is still advisable to inquire about the specific maintenance requirements and costs associated with the model you are considering. Keep in mind that hybrid-specific components, such as batteries, may require specialized service, which can potentially be more expensive than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Resale value. Considering the resale value of a hybrid car is a prudent move, as it can significantly impact your long-term ownership costs. Research the resale value trends of the specific hybrid model you are interested in and compare it to other similar vehicles. Hybrids with a strong reputation for retaining their value will not only provide you with peace of mind during ownership but also maximize your return on investment should you decide to sell or trade in your vehicle in the future. By carefully considering these factors before buying a hybrid car, you can ensure that you choose a vehicle that aligns with your budget, lifestyle, and long-term goals. Whether it's evaluating the price and affordability, assessing battery life and warranty, considering charging infrastructure, factoring in maintenance and repair costs, or examining the resale value, each aspect contributes to making an informed decision that will deliver a satisfying hybrid car ownership experience. Types of hybrid cars. Hybrid cars have gained popularity in recent years due to their eco-friendly nature and fuel efficiency. They combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor to provide improved mileage and reduced emissions. When looking for a hybrid car, it's essential to understand the different types available in the market. Let's explore the various types of hybrid cars. Series hybrid. In a series hybrid, the electric motor is the primary source of power. The internal combustion engine acts as a generator to recharge the battery that powers the electric motor. This setup allows for a longer range of electric power alone, making it an excellent choice for city driving. Since the engine only charges the battery and is not directly connected to the wheels, series hybrids often have a smaller engine, reducing fuel consumption. That wraps up part 1 of our series on what to consider when looking for a hybrid car. We hope you found this information helpful in your quest for the perfect hybrid vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 2, where we'll continue exploring the key factors to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching.